In this video, we look at comments. We use comments to annotate what the code is doing, and generally a comment can help other people understand your code, especially when you have not looked at your code. You yourself have not looked at your code in a while, and maybe your code is so large and you might not know which part does what. For instance, in the next code cell, we multiply 3 by 2. We also add a comment, hashtag multiply 3 by 2 above that code to describe what that code is doing. To indicate to Python that a line is comment and not a Python code, you need to write the hashtag sign as the very first character in that line. Once Python sees the hashtag sign and recognizes that the line is a comment, it is completely ignored by the computer. This is important because, like any other language, Python has rules, and Python is very strict. If it cannot understand what you're trying to do, it will give you an error to tell you that it doesn't know what you're trying to write.